gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We are at the Bahrain International Circuit for the Sahir Roll Race, which is basically a rolling race on the Formula 1 track here in Bahrain. And we don't have the Hellcat today, we're doing it in the Alfa Romeo. And the biggest question we're asking today is, what's faster, my stock Alfa Romeo 4C or Casper's stock Subaru STi 2016? They're both 2016. So yeah, and the competition here is not bad actually. Check it out. Alfa Romeo 4C or STi? Ooh. What do you think?
4C. Sorry, Casper.
STi. I will go with STi.
Ouch.
I didn't pay him to do that.
That hurts, man. That really hurts. Well, if the Hellcat was here, then it would be a different story. Hellcat? For sure we would go with the Hellcat. Okay, test number 2. The Alpha has it.
Yep.
How are you, bro? How's it going, man? Good, good, good.
Sure.
Test number 3 now.
Yeah. What do you think? What's going on?
Nothing, it's just, to be honest, you won fair and square. I just think that it's too hot for this car.
Could be.
I don't like
But
the
my
heat.
car is also a turbo, man.
Yeah, but yours is...
Alfa Romeo, the car that is the most reliable. Casper is very, very mad right now because he thought he had the bag. I thought, to me it was like, it's a friendly race, We did this to see what happens, good intentions, but he's really mad.
We're gonna go collect a friend and then...
2 more cylinders, 2 more driving wheels. What happened, man?
I don't know, man. I have no idea. I'm actually really annoyed by this. Get the fucking camera out of my face.
Okay, so Subi crossed. Next is gonna be the Golf R. I'm gonna go against one of the guys in the Golf R's and see how the 4C the 4C handles it. Very, very proud of this car here. I didn't think it would be able to do this well. So we beat that GTR. I mean not a GTR. We beat the Golf R. We beat the Subi. And I think it comes down to aerodynamics. At speed, this thing sort of picks up, or just like everything else kind of slows down. So that's really, really cool. So right now, trap speed starting at 80 kilometers an hour is 186. We're gonna do 100 kilometers an hour next, and we'll see what the trap speed is with that. And I'm hoping to get a good launch because I think I've been a little bit late on the boost, and yeah, I need to sort of pile up the boost before I hit the hit the go.
Gasoline. 60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
So this is the BMW we lost against. Put it around. The owner doesn't know how much horsepower, but it's around 400 with race fuel mix with 98 octane. So all in all, very good for the Alfa as a stock car with 236 horsepower. The lightweight is very good. The aerodynamics are helping, and I'm thinking now. I'm knocked out. Oh, that's loud. I'm knocked out, but I'm thinking about taking off the GoPro off the top because I don't know why, but I think that might affect the top speed. So trap speed was 199 kilometers, starting off at 100k. Not bad, not bad. I think we can do better. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode upload. Please leave me a comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great weekend, have a great day, take care, bye bye.